What kind of website is this?
So I'm so glad that you don't know anything about this. This is great. The newer that you are, well, actually, I'm not even going to tell you. I'm just going to show the freaking thing.
This better not be the dark web, Broman.
It's not going to be the dark web.
All right. The alternative. Wait, the alternative for that tiny risk, I'll try anything once portion of your portfolio. Turn on an automated trading strategy inside your regular brokerage account. Ooh, there's like a little doohickey thingy. Like there's like a
It's a doohickey thingy. Yes.